Wait, are you looking on how to make money online? Is it because at the end of the month, your checking account's a little low? Or maybe because of this recession or the inflation, it's taking a real good bite out of your budget? What about maybe you're a stay-home mom and maybe you're looking to help bring extra money in to the family? Is that why you're looking on how to make money online? Well, you're in the right place. You can look, you can sell items. There's many different ways that you can make money online. You can sell items. You can become a freelancer. You can be an Uber or a Lyft driver. How about those? Is that what you're looking at? Or maybe you're thinking about starting your online business. Maybe you're ready to be an entrepreneur. You don't want to drive Uber Eats around or anybody else for that matter. So maybe you're ready to take that next step and to start making real money online by doing affiliate marketing. Guess what? We still got classes available. So that means there's seats available for you. All you got to do is click the link in the description. Let's get started. We got guys and gals who were making 6-7 figures for years online who can show you the shortcuts on how to make money online. We're not going to let you struggle. We're not going to let you just give you something and say, hey, go do this. We're not going to give you a cut and paste system where you take our link and you put it over there in your funnel and you change some stuff around. Nope. You are going to learn this the right way. You're going to learn it to where you can promote any product. You're probably thinking, okay, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you're promoting other people's products. Like on Amazon, it could be Walmart, Target. It could be your favorite box stores that you like shopping at every day. So think about it. You already shop at some of these places. You already know the products. You buy them yourself. Hey, why not make some money at it? If you got, you can also, just another idea, if you got some used items, like clothing and stuff, you could try to sell them on Facebook, or you could try to start you a little business like an Etsy or Shopify store or any of that kind of stuff. But affiliate marketing is going to be the easiest because with affiliate marketing, there's no shipping, there's no returns, and dealing with customer service. You're not dealing with anybody. You're promoting it, putting it out there, and you're done. So at the end of each month, if you're sitting here looking how to make money online and you realize your checking account is a little low at the end of the month because everything is done got just crazy high and it's going up. With OPEC slowing down on oil production, hey, everything is going sky high. So just keep that in mind. So if your checking account's a little low now, wait a few months, it's going to even be lower. There is no perfect time to start. If you're waiting for that, like, hey, I'll wait next month or the month after that, hey, there is no perfect time. You might as well jump in there with both feet. If you're already looking on how to make money online, then there's no better opportunity than right now. We still got seats available. You're gonna give you an advisor, mentor. We're going to show you how to do this affiliate marketing the right way. And when you get done, you'll be able to promote any product, anytime, any niche. It doesn't matter if it's health that you like. It could be woodworking. It doesn't matter. Because once you learn the basic skills, then you can promote any product. So keep that in mind. When you start thinking and Googling, hey, how to make money online, what's the best side hustle, or what's passive income, because all of that, you're going to learn it right here. We can teach you. You don't have to drive around Uber Eats You know, you ain't got to try to build a website if you don't want to. You know, a website's a good way to make money though. You can build a website and promote your products. You know, all your affiliate stuff on there too. So don't think blogging's not a pretty good thing to do. A lot of people make a lot of money, every day from it. Just look at NerdWallet, for instance. They got a website and they make it. There's no telling what they make from their website every month. So if you looking to get online, and if you're looking to figure out how to make money online, we can help. Give us a shot. We still got seats available. We got advisors, trainers that's been doing this for years, who's already making the good money that you're looking to make. So don't hesitate to reach out. We're gonna, as soon as you get a hold of us, we'll get you into contact with an advisor, and he's gonna help you set everything up. So don't delay. Things are not going to get any cheaper, and you're already looking online on how to make money. So this is the best way to make it right here with affiliate marketing. There's no reason to delay any longer, because success loves speed, and we're waiting for you. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also hit the little bell icon so you get all my weekly notifications. I'll see you next week.